Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Priest. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock chat and unhide chat on WhatsApp. So if you hid your chat and you don't know how to unlock it, sit tight and learn how to unlock your chat. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive right into the video. All you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp and first let me show you guys how to hide chats. Once you tap and hold on the chat here, you are going to be seeing these three lines option and click on lock chat. You can see that. So yeah, I'm going to be adding my fingerprint on it. So if you want to see your lock chat, you can scroll down and see the lock chat on the top of your screen. Once you click on that, you're going to be adding your fingerprint. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to be using your Face ID or your password. So once you're done doing that here, you can see the chat I just hid. So all you need to do in order for you to unhide this chat is to tap and hold on it as well and click the three line on the top right corner of your screen, and you can see the option of unlock chat. So click on that and add your fingerprint or password as well, and boom, you can see the chat is no longer hid. So that's it on how to unhide your chat. If you found this video helpful, please do well to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.